Okay, welcome to another day of Be Agile Scrum. And today we have almost reached towards the second last week. We are just finishing it up. And we are also transitioning towards the last week where new people are starting from fresh. And as every one of you know that we work in a agile manner itself, and that's the reason we work every single day, and we work in a continuous learning process. How do we do in agile industry? People work for continuous delivery. Here we work for continuous learning. Monday, Tuesday you have got a session for yourself where you will be learning. Wednesday you will be summarizing through a video what you have learned on day one. Thursday you go back and you attend RRRP session, that is reference ready resume preparation, and there you will learn that how you can optimize your profile over LinkedIn, and you can enhance your network, and how your profile can become the marketable, and thus you will have a final approved resume as well. And with that, we will also make sure that you will get prepared for the interview. For that, our upcoming interview session, preparatory session, will help you to crack the interviews as well. And for that, you are always encouraged to follow that. And then on Friday, you will be sending us back the recording of day 2. And then Saturday, Sunday, you can really have your planning time or your leisure time, and then again can meet back on Monday. So this is the complete plan for yourself, but it requires certain ground rule, because here you have one goal, and that goal requires to be protected. That goal requires to be guided well. I hope you can see my screen. Yeah. And on screen, you can see the mind map, everyone.
Yes.
Thank you. So how your goals are protected. So for that, we share the reminder of code of honor that you need to follow. Those are basic principle. Those should be basic principle if you have any goals in your life. The first one is showing up live, on time, being punctual, and highly committed. And in case because of some emergency you are not able to make it, you will have to inform to the leader. So why we do practice over here? Because the same thing you will be able to practice and experience once you will get placed. Why it is required over here? Because how you do anything is how you do everything. So that's the reason you are practicing one thing to bring in habit, so that you can demonstrate the same thing in the as a part of habit once you start working. Second one is, because you are learning, you need to become a full stack student. What does it mean? It means you need to follow. It means you need to do all the assignment. You need to do all the self research work. Excuse me. Self-research work, and then repeat what you have learned. Yeah. The third one is taking the full responsibility of success and failure. If you have failed because you have not done some assignment, you will have to take the responsibility of the failure as well. Because once you will take the responsibility of the failure, that becomes the trail of the success, because that time you will decode the reason behind that failure, and that you can fix it. Agree with that? So this is how you will be taking the full responsibility. I believe the answer was yes from your end. Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. And then the fourth one is the key component. It's mindset. Okay. So you have to start your day with learning mindset, positive mindset, go complaint free, and load yourself with the gratitude. Have a gratitude mindset. And how you can do that? By increasing your receptivity. And how you can do that? By listening to the audio I have shared with you. And you need to follow the golden quadrant of learning, which says that declare before you learn and then draw before you learn, and then summarize after you draw. Okay. So declare, learn, draw, and summarize, these are the golden quadrant of learning. So on this note, I request you to be everyone ready to utter behind me, utter along with me, or say utter after me, that at the count of 3, you are going to tell, you are going to declare, I am a quick learner, what others can learn and master, and then again repeat, and then say I too can do that. Okay. And then last statement. So everyone is ready for the self high five. That is going to be a clap. Everyone is ready. Yeah. So at the count of 3, declare along with me and give yourself a self high five. 1, 2, 3. I am a quick learner.
I'm a quick learner.
What others can learn and master, I too can do that.
What others can learn and master, I too can do that.
Because I am a fast learner, and this is going to be super duper easy learning today. Because I'm a fast learner.
Because I'm a fast learner.
This is going to be super easy
learning today.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And when you are learning, remember to give away something, because you are setting up an intent of earning along with the learning. So be a giver. First, you need to give your ego away so that you can fasten really your learning, and that makes you spiritually grounded as well. And when you are more spiritually grounded, you are ready to give and have an intent of doing a charity. If you are not earning today, at least once you will start earning, you will give back for the society of 10% of your earning or 5% of your earning, because when you give, you grow. But I request you not to start give just to mere grow, but to inspire others. Okay. So in case you are earning today as well, then can you take an intention to start giving away to the charity or to the cause where you believe in, at least 5%, if not possible 10%. Okay. Because that simply quadruple and show you the ripple effect in the terms of money. Whatever you will give, that will grow for you. Okay. So if you want to grow your money, start giving it away first. Okay. Because as I said, that this is the universal law back for this action. That is what you give, that grows. And yeah, so and that grows to and multiplies and come back to you. Okay. And so whatever you are doing, appreciate that. So whatever you do, appreciate what others do for you, that you need to appreciate. And even what doesn't happen to you, so you need to appreciate that, because what you appreciate, that appreciates you. So that's the universal law. So on this note, I'm just stopping it up and resharing the slide what we are going to cover today. So give me a second and let me bring the slide in front of you. Okay. And then we can go ahead. By the way, everyone has logged in through your laptop?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, amazing. Yes. So today you might be required to share your screen. So make sure that you can share your browser or something like that. Let me bring the slide in front of you. It is just loading. So kindly bear for some time while it is loading up. By the way, I had a message which I forgot to tell you, that Prerna ji will join within, she said 3 minutes, because she had some prior call and she needed to attend before this. So that was 30 minutes long call and she is in that call right now. So yeah, so we have covered week 7 in fact. So I need to bring up the slide and deck for week 8. And that is mostly about today's workshop. So let me bring that for you. Yeah, and while I'm opening that up, let me answer Anila's question. So Anila had questioned that there is a lot, okay, in banking. And in fact, not in banking only, everywhere there is a lot. So if you are thinking to become a business analyst, so you should have a proper study in that. And when you have a proper study on some subject, you become a subject matter expert. Okay, and that's when you can choose for yourself to become what you can choose yourself or become to business analyst of that particular subject. If we are talking about banking does not only talk about payment life cycle what we have seen. Okay, banking also talk about card life cycle. Okay, every single day banking is enhancing with the features a customer is getting, because that is also becoming the part of what that is also becoming the part of banking sector. So there are various things. Okay, there are various things. So one thing is like okay, so one thing is like online banking. Okay, another one is uh, branch banking. Third one becomes the simple fund transfer banking. So small components are there. And yeah, Swift messaging is one part of them. So when we were talking about Swift messaging, that also comes with a different number of Swift messaging. So for that you require to study. So first you should be knowing that why and what exactly I need to know over here. By the way, let me ask you, how many of you have worked in the banking sector already, ever, or in banking domain? None? Okay, so let me tell you. So you need to start study them. Okay, so as a business analyst, you should be knowing. So what exactly happens when we are preparing something for real time? We need to practice that beforehand. By the way, one thing I know that a few of you had the IT experience. I know Varsha has already worked with few business analysts, but not sure whether she has worked in the banking domain or not. So Varsha, do you have any? Okay.
No,
So
I have the manufacturing experience.
okay, no worries. So Brijesh, you are also from IT. So have you worked with any banking project ever?
No, I have not.
Not yet. Okay, no worries. So let me tell you what exactly happens. So we prepare a dummy data, we play with that, so that in the real time, in the live environment, what exactly happens, we are ready to deliver and ready to play when exact live data is there. Okay, so for that you need to run few things in the backend. Say for example, in backend you will create a dummy account holder, right? You will create a dummy account holder. Then you must have it's all the banking details. Okay, so not only bank account holder name will be there, it's ID will also be there, identification number will also be there, which will be the part of customer identification. And its a home address will be there. Then it will have credit card, then it will hold a dummy credit card as well. And I'm not talking about when things are live. I'm talking about when things are yet to be published to the market. Are you following me so far?
Yeah.
Yeah. So try to visualize what I'm telling you, everyone. Rupa, by the way, you are also following what I'm telling you. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, thanks. So everyone pay here attention. Rupa, Bela, Varsha, Brijesh, Anila, and Naba, that when you have these all data collected, the credit card number of the person, account holder which you have created as a dummy, and also its detail you have punched into the system, it requires to be saved. Okay, so it gets saved into the database. So whatever the database it is connected to right now. But every single day, you know what exactly happens, some settlement happens. Say for example, you have sent a fund transfer request. Okay, so you understand now using federal wire system how fund gets transferred. Everyone remember that we have covered last day?
Yeah.
Okay, great, thank you. So fund transfer happens, but it real settlement happens at the some what do you call cutoff time. So say for example, the cutoff time is what?
End of the day.
end of the day, 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock or whatever. And when we are in the testing phase, we have said that we trigger the DevOps team, trigger some plugin. Okay, so plugin, what that does, that picks all the information already stored in the database, okay, and that execute it. So say for example, the plugin is set to work at the end of the day, that to 12 a.m. at midnight, then only you will be able to see the fund has been reflected after getting transferred for in account B. Just I'm giving you a scenario. But now you are testing. So for testing purpose, will you wait till midnight? Or there should be some procedure using that you will have the result then and there in front of yourself, right? For that, you should be knowing some way out for that. So if you have a basic knowledge of SQL, so for SQL, Prerna has generally spoken that you should be knowing, you should go ahead and explore this w3schools.org. That will teach
SQL,
you,
right?
for
Structured query language.
That's true. So yeah, so I'm talking about that only, so that you can learn from w3schools.org, right, Varsha? Yeah.
No, you said SQL, so I was.
Yeah. So that is also called as
same
SQL.
thing? Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah. So yeah. So you can just learn basic query over there. In the similar manner from w3schools.org. What else you can learn? You can learn simple Unix command. So like you have learned so far DOS command. You are aware of DOS command, right? If you need to enter to any directory, that is the folder, you press CD and then directory name. You remember this. Let me share that with you. Screen. You know command prompt, which we also call it as DOS, right? Yeah. So here, there are multiple list of directory. It shows you all the directory. When you need to come to the root command, you can enter the CD/, then you will come out of that. You can change the drive and you can have a different list of the directory or something like that. Yeah. So, and you can go inside that. Okay, CD, say for example, travel. So I get into travel directly or something like that. Yeah. So, and in the similar manner, what exactly happens, you have your Linux command. So Linux command, why it is useful? So generally in banking industry, Linux has been considered a most robust operating system. Okay, so you need to generate a different statement as well. Statement you follow, right? So for statement, what exactly happened? It comes with the various messaging, and those messaging you can see in the system itself, in your Linux itself, and every single executable files which comes with .bat extension, that becomes the bash file, that is on command prompt. In the similar manner on Linux, such batch file or self-executable file comes with .ksh file. You follow what I am telling? KSH. So if you're not following, let me tell you. So let me go back to CMD. Okay. And I say dir. So in dir, there are multiple files. Say, for example, I'll go to Windows. Okay. Windows is not there. Then so generally Windows are there. Windows file will be there, but I'm not sure why it is not visible. But anyways, never mind. So CD downloads. Okay, dir. Okay, there are n number of files which have got. You see here .exe. Yeah, can you see here?
Yes.
So that is
Yes.
one of the extension of a file. Okay, here you see .exe. That is one of the extension of file. So in the similar manner, there are some self-executable file like that opens up, that run into your system. Okay, so those are called .bat file. Okay, so let me see if those are there. Okay, in this folder, no such files are there. Okay, .bat file. Bat means bash. Bash is a self-executable file. Okay, when you hit the name of the file, that simply triggers. Okay, that simply triggers. So let me try to find out some files if I can. Okay, so CACLC. This is a batch file. Okay, this is self-executable command. So I just mentioned its name and it triggered the calculator. Could you see that calculator on the screen? How it opened automatically? Yeah. So in the similar manner, that is there on the Windows. So in the similar manner, when you will have the access over Linux, so in the Linux, you have some KSH file. So this calc is in fact, this is calc.bat. Okay. So when you will give the complete command, it will not run. So without bat, when you will give the command, it will self-execute. Okay. So in the similar manner, what happens on your Linux, it comes with .ksh. Okay, so here you have seen the extension as a .bat. So in Linux, it becomes .ksh. K stands for kernel, sh stands for shell. Okay, so shell and kernel that gives birth to some executable files. So some executable files you need to just run as a do. Here you need to just give the file name and it will run if it is an executable one. In Linux, what you will have to do, you will have to write down do like this, do followed by file name. Okay, so say for example, if you have to show the statement file, okay, so or you have to run the Swift 83 file, I'm just giving, or MT130 file. So MT130 may show you a simple report or may show you only the balance of the account. So what you will do, you will just go by following CD command, get inside the profile, and there you will give the command name as a do, then file name .ksh. So do file name .ksh will execute that file. Say for example, your Swift file was Swift MT130, then it will generate the balance file and that will show you on the screen. So this is a simple few command you need to run, you need to learn for running the Swift messages. Are you following this, Anila? And if you are aware, if you have practiced and you remember, so what exactly happened? So you should be knowing what Swift message does what. Okay, so these all entire thing are the name, game of name. Okay, you need to remember the file name, and using that file name, what exactly I can achieve. I gave you one example of MT130. That is the one of the Swift message name. Okay, so when you will run what I say, the Linux command, that is do and then MT130 dot something, then it will give you the balance in the similar manner. For some fund transfer also, instead of waiting for the plugin to re-trigger at midnight, that is the cutoff time, what exactly you can do, you can simply run a command and it will complete the transfer, and transfer happen from source to destination. So here when you will be mentioning the command, what you will have to do, you will have to give the source account name and the destination account name, and again you will have to run the executable file, that is the .ksh. Okay, so this is ocean for when you will talk about the banking. Banking is very vast. So what you can do, you can self-learn that. Here we are learning business analysis. So business analyst is a backbone who can work in a various sector, not only in banking, also for insurance. Okay. So if you are knowing the concept, then you can create your own command for that. Okay. When I say command, means you can master that. Okay. Only you should be knowing that how exactly it works. Okay. And for every first timer, this is new. Okay. So now I have given you enough information, and using that, you can simply go ahead and learn by yourself. Is it making some sense? We have just now talked about how to explore Swift messages. Okay, so on this note, I want someone of you to share your screen inside Trello. You are going to share me Trello, and I'll be asking you to do some activity, and everyone will get this right to share their screen. And today, by using that, we are exploring 2-3 things. One is listening skill, second are creativity, and third communication. So 3 items we are going to learn as a business analyst and Scrum Master, and then we will be ready for the next week to re-trigger business analysis and Scrum Master. While I'm telling you this all, remember, you need to really master and enhance your skill of being a business analyst. And that's why I would request all of you, if you have completed your Scrum Master thing, and in case you are listening to the recording, you must repeat this. So who can share his or her screen?
I can share.
Okay, so yeah, Varsha, please share your screen with Trello.
Share screen. Can I share it? Because it says you cannot share it.
Oh, really? Is it? I have given you share, right?
You cannot start screen share while the other participant is sharing.
Okay, I'm sharing. Okay, just wait a second. So I was just able to see you all, so that's why I was not sure whether I'm sharing. So now you can share.
So now I will say share screen. Yeah. Share.
Anila, by the way, I answered you, right? You said yes.
Yes.
Okay,
yes,
thanks,
yes.
Anila. Yeah. So go to Trello board.
I had already opened it. Just a second.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm here.
So
can you see?
Just a moment.
When I had already created these ones. How do I?
Okay, that's okay. So what I'm telling you, Varsha, I want you to reshare, and when you will reshare your screen, there is a checkbox which is called as optimize your screen. So can you check that?
All right. So I'll say stop share.
Yeah, stop share and then reshare.
Then share screen.
Okay.
Optimize video clip.
Yeah.
Optimize for video clip.
Yes.
Should I say yes? I said yes. Share. Okay.
Okay. It's not fully visible. So yeah.
Okay.
So everyone, can you see the screen clearly now? Now it's a bit visible. Yeah. Yes. Now it is visible.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So what exactly you need to do? Go to any of the workspace which you have created for yourself.
Project one.
Okay.
Yes. I've just done this. Should I?
Okay. So you are in the to do. Everyone can see we have in the past, we have spoken about things are in 3 different phases. Okay. One is to do, another is in progress, which is doing, and then done. Okay, so we have seen. So everything is a card, and that can be moved from the first one to second one to third one. Okay, and it will be auto marked. So when we are talking about to do, so Varsha, you can click on the three dots. Yeah, click on that three dots, and where
I did.
Okay, you clicked over there.
Yes.
So click on add card. No, I don't think you should be clicking on add card. So just come back to the three dot once again.
These dots, right?
Yeah.
Should I?
Yes, click. Okay, cancel it. Come to introduction part.
That I had created, but I had not added anything.
Okay, yeah. So in introduction, what you can do, you can go to description and you can type something, right?
Okay.
Okay. So that is one. And you can go to attachment. Once you have typed the things, then you can go to the attachment.
Should I say save, or it will get saved?
Yeah, you will have to save that.
Right.
Then go to attachment. And in attachment, you can see attach a link. You can attach a link. I want you to go to giphy.com, giphy.com.
Should I open as a new site?
Yes.
GIPHY. Giphy.com, right?
Yeah. Go to Giphy website.
And I should copy the link?
Yes. Now I want you to search in the Giphy that remotely exhausted.
I should search here?
Yeah. Type remotely exhausted or overworked. Okay. Now what you can do, you can click on any of the card, or you can just copy the link of that card. So for link, you can see the link icon. Yeah.
I should copy link?
Yeah, you can do that, or you can see on the card itself, there is a link icon. You can click on that.
So now I have copied the link.
Yeah, copy the link and go back to the Trello. And here you paste the link. Yeah.
I did.
Yes, you can name you can name the link. Just give the name link.
Okay.
And then you can click on attach. I think it will simply attach it. It should. Yeah. Okay. And now come back, close it and come back to the main screen.
I'll close it fully.
Yeah.
I'll come to intro. There is one attachment.
Okay. So no, actually it should look like the Giphy should appear over here. So what I will request you, go back to the giphy.com. Go back to giphy.com and there you click on the link icon is there. When you mouse over, you will find a heart shape is there, just beside heart shape, link is there.
This, right? This.
Yeah. Click on that.
Link copied to clipboard.
Yeah. Now go back to Trello.
Here.
Yeah. And now edit that. You can see beside link. Yeah.
So here.
Yeah. So just override this, whatever you have copied. Control V. You have copied the entire link?
Yes, I did.
Yes. Now update it.
Okay. So GI. Should I go back?
Yeah, you should go back.
Say close. Still I can't see.
Okay, you can simply refresh that. Refresh the page.
Just say refresh here.
Yeah. Okay, you did not find. Okay, now come to this add a card button is there, right? Just click over there. Yeah. Okay, click on add a card.
One more time.
Okay.
You want me to add?
Okay.
No, unless I mention something, it won't move.
Okay, it will, this add a card is, okay, so these cards you yourself have added, is it?
Yes, these three. Should I delete them?
Yeah, please delete them.
How do I delete? Is there a delete option? Archive.
Yeah, archive is the delete. Yeah. Okay.
All right. No.
Delete this also, which you are creating right now. Yeah. So there is only one, and it has a different look. So click on this card itself. The
one that we have
below, before the attachment, there are menu list, right? Yeah, click over there. Yeah.
This card has a description.
Yes.
Attachment.
Show details. Click on show details.
Where is it?
Show details is just before, above the comment. So everyone, when you are watching over here, are you also doing at your end?
Yes.
Okay. So do you see any difference?
Oh, here.
Yes.
So Bridges, it is something differ at your screen. How does it appear?
Look different.
The attachment comes up and plays when you're on the to-do part above the intro.
Okay, so attachment comes as is it as it looks on Jiffy?
Yes.
Okay, so Varsha, can you stop your screen, please?
Sure. So yeah. I'll just here.
And I would request, yeah, Bridges, can you share your screen, please?
Sure.
I've stopped here.
Yep.
Sorry, just gotta go into my settings.
So you'll have to share the screen. You know how you can share the screen, right, Bridges?
Yes, yeah. I'm actually on my Mac, and it has like a security thing. Hold on, it should work now.
Yes, it is loading. Yeah. So exactly. So exactly. How did you do that? Or can you redo it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
let me delete it first.
Yeah.
So we have the description. When I came here, I clicked into it and I had to copy this GIF link from here. Went into location.
Control.
And copied it into there.
And then attach. Varsha, can you also do this?
Yeah.
So so there is a difference what Bridges has done. So instead of just clicking on the link icon, he opened the Jiffy and then he found the link, and from there he copied the link and he came back and he pasted over here. So close that. Yeah. Now on the card, he can see the exactly Jiffy is there. Okay.
Yep.
So everyone else other than Varsha, Anila, Rupa, Bela, and who else is there? Ava. You are able to also do the same thing at your system while like Bridges has done when I was telling this to Varsha. So everyone was okay. Anila is doing.
I'm trying.
Okay. So the goal is that, the Jiffy what is on jiffy.com, that should appear over here. Okay. In the cart. Okay. So if you have done this as a practice, I'll be giving you some elements, some names. Okay. That you need to search in the Jiffy, and you will have to bring back over here in the to do, in the doing, and in the done section. Okay. The same Jiffy. So,
Gaurav,
yes.
I didn't understand that much. So can you help me how to do this once again?
Okay. So for that, you should have created a Trello.
Yeah, I created
account. So when you go to Trello, you create a workspace. Okay. In the workspace, before even workspace, beside the board, you have to create the project. Okay. So you make sure that you are under the board and you have created. So Brijesh will redo this. Okay. So here you see under workspace, there is a create new board option. Can you see this? Click on the create new board. So here you need to give the name of the board. So for example, this is a project B. Okay. And he clicked on the create board. Okay. So board has been created. Now he is giving the title of that list. He is creating a list. Its name is to do, for example. Okay. And what he is going to do inside the to-do list, is going to add a card. Okay. And yeah, he will give the name of the card and he will click on the 3 dots, intro. And in this 3 dot, the 3 dot is above. Yeah. Yes. Over here, you can double click over there also. So that is fine. You can just mention the description. And also you can go to the attachment. And the attachment, you need to give the link. And that link you need to copy from giphy.com. So in the giphy.com, he searched a keyword. He wrote overworked. Okay. And whatever he could find that is the best representation of the word, he clicked on that card. And he just clicked on the share button. Share button gives the these link to be shared on Facebook, Twitter, or Tumblr, and then Pinterest or Instagram. He need to just click on the copy GIF link. He clicked on the copy, and it is copied. And now he is going back to the card on Trello, and he's pasting over there, and he is just saving. Yeah. Attaching it. And now this has appeared on the screen. He will be closing this pop-up. So once he closes that pop-up, he can see the same Giphy appearing under the to-do. Varsha, could you do that?
Yes, I have done that.
So
I can see
you can see the GIF.
Yes.
Yeah. So everyone else, you have understood this? So Rupa, you have understood this when we were explaining, you were able to do this?
Yeah, I understood.
Okay. So did you do that?
Yeah, I will do little slowly.
Yeah, so you need to do that because this is one of the example we have just seen overworked. Like this, I'll be giving you 5 more words and we will be testing you how easily now you can understand a new tool. So today we are exploring Trello. Okay. So it will give us the understanding how well you can understand any new tool when it requires for you first time you need to explore. That is the one. Second, how much creative you are, that is based on your research work. Okay. And that creativity may comes that it should be connecting to the user and user can get hooked with what you bring the information on your system. Okay. So it's about getting hooked, and that is through creativity. And third one is how do you communicate? Okay. And how do you do your deep listening? Okay. Because based on that, we can give you rating on these 4 parameters. Okay. So everyone is ready now if you have understood this. So is this yes from you, Rupa, Anila, Varsha, Abba, and Bela?
Gaurav, just one minute, okay?
Yes.
I'm just doing that.
Take your time. Yeah. So this is just a preparatory before we get into the real workshop. Yeah. So Abba, you are comfortable for this?
Not really.
Okay. So can you just retry it?
Yeah.
Brijesh has done. Varsha has done. Rupa is almost done. Anila is taking time.
I'll share my screen and then you can.
Yeah, that will be great. So can you stop your screen? And yeah, you can share your screen now.
Okay, so like here, I click this and copy link.
No. Don't do copy link. Just click on that GIF.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you found multiple things are there. So click on one of them.
Just click it or?
Just click it. Okay, is it going in detail and detail? Okay, can you click on the caption itself? Not this caption. On the card, there is a caption. Can you click on them? Okay, just mouse hover. Varsha, how did you do that? You just mouse.
The same. No, I did the same way as Brajesh did.
Okay.
I did that link thing and copy link.
So can you start searching this word overworked?
Overworked. Okay. Right. Yep.
So Varsha, this is your screen, right? Who is sharing the screen?
This is my Abha's.
Abha. Okay. Yeah, Abha. So you have written overworked. So click on any of the card. Okay. Yeah. So here you see the share option in between. Okay. Now you, click on copy GIF link and then go back to Trello and click over there. Yes. And just remove that. And paste it, update it. So there is some problem. So you are directly doing inside the board. Can you go back to the workspace? Okay. Yeah. So inside a board A, you have got a project A. Click on project A. Or just create a new one. So, okay. So inside your board, can you see on the left hand side, project A is written and you are inside that. Okay. You are inside that. So when you click on this intro part, so just, click over there. Just click over there. Yeah. Now,
I would remove that one first.
Yeah, you should remove that instead of editing. Just remove that. Yeah. And now go to attachment, paste the link, and then attach. Yes, now it has appeared. Okay, close it. And now you can see that. Yeah, you got it now?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So everyone else, Rupa, did you now find it? How to do it?
Yeah, Gaurav, can you please help me how to do?
Okay.
Even I'm not able to, see the picture.
Okay.
I don't know.
No problem. So share your screen, please.
Who's sharing?
Yeah, anyone can share. So
Anila or Rupa?
So, okay. So go ahead, Rupa. Because you are asking, I said you. Okay. So come to the board. You are inside the board. Click on the board on the left-hand side, the very first one. Left-hand side, the very first one. Click on the board.
Okay.
Did you click on that?
No.
Okay. So just scroll now. Scroll from the right side, right-hand side, or click on the project management. So you can see the Kanban product or, okay.
I already clicked that one. Yeah, project management Kanban template.
Yeah. So when you click on the board, can you scroll down directly at last?
Yeah.
Okay. Click on the board. Beside your workspace, there is a board. Or yeah, click over there. Create new board. Your mouse is there.
Create new board.
Yeah. Okay. Now give the name of the board. Say, yeah, project 1. Okay, create board. Okay, now give name. Enter a title for this card. Give the name. Okay, testing, fine. Just click outside. Yeah, now go back and click on this testing. Yeah, and now write down anything in the description and then go to attachment. Okay, leave that directly. You can go to attachment. Yeah, now you have to go to giphy.com, giphy.com. Everyone, please follow. Go to the, open a new tab in the browser. Click.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes. So everyone, please follow this, what I'm telling. giphy, giphy.com. So what exactly is happening? I should not be able to explain each and every one. I want you, each one of you, to listen to it deeply and then follow whatever I'm instructing. So this is how it will see that how closely you are listening and following and able to replicate it. Okay. So this is one of the business analysts' work. When they listen from the customer, they should ask the question and get so much at the deeper level, so that once they go offline and start working from offshore, they should be able to replicate what customer is suggesting. So this is one yardstick of knowing that how deep listening we are doing. Okay. So yeah, Rupa, I wanted you to search the word overworked. Okay. Yeah. Okay. You can take any GIF. Okay. Click on that. Click on that. Don't click that one. Click on the GIF. Don't just click on the GIF. Don't click on the link. Just,
okay.
Yeah. Open that. Open that where you have. Yeah. Click in the center.
Oh.
Yeah. Now you see the share option is there.
Yes.
Yeah. Click on share. And then you find copy GIF link. Yeah. Click on that. Yeah. Now you have copied. Go back to Trello. So now here, attach a link, paste the copied link over there. Yeah. Control V. And then click on attach. Click on the attach. Yeah. Now it is processing.
Okay.
So now you can close it. And you can see it. Okay. So Abha, you are successful. Now Rupa is successful. Anila, are you able to follow this?
I am also successful because I was copying the wrong link.
Okay.
But now I got it.
Amazing. So everyone is successful. Varsha, Brijesh, Abha, yes. Rupa. What about you, Bela? Bella, you there? You are following?
I'm trying. I think I'm almost there. But
okay, if you want, you can share your screen, and we can help you out.
To help me. Okay, I'm good. Where is my screen?
There is a share screen icon at the bottom of Zoom. When you will hit there, you will find the share option.
Yeah, I got it. I think to do, I can see the, yeah.
Okay, you got that, is it?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Okay, you
to help me.
Okay, so you don't require any help right now.
Right now, I got it. Yeah.
Okay, amazing. So everyone is ready for this. So what we are going to do is that me and Prerna will be giving you different words. So what you need to do in the to do, you will have to create one more card. Okay, and when I'll share the first word, you need to go to Jiffy. Okay, find out the most funniest Jiffy and paste it into your Trello. Did you get that?
Yep.
Yeah,
Yes.
everyone get it? Me and Prerna, one by one, we will be sharing with you some words. That word you need to go ahead and find out in Jiffy, and you have to find out the funniest word, and you have to paste that in Trello, and there will be 6 such words. So existing one you can delete now, and inside to do you have to create 2. Inside doing you have to create 2, and inside done you have to create 2. And once that is done, everyone is done doing this, I want every one of you to share your screen, and you will have to show all these 6 Jiffy, and we will be giving you together the points. Okay, and based on that, the one winner will be there who has come up the most creative. Okay, you got this game, that how it is going to happen? Yes.
Yes.
Okay, great. So hello, good morning, Prerna ji. I know that you just I continued explaining, but yeah. So
absolutely. So the rhythm was so nice. I did not disturb any of you. I joined long back, and everybody did a great job. First of all, kudos to you guys. Everybody shared their screen and worked on Trello, and even showed their enthusiasm to learn new tool. And Gaurav, as always, you were exceptionally superb. So yes, let's get back to the this workout now. I'm really excited. Yeah.
So one word which I'm telling you, the word is everyone listen closely, and the word is human network. Okay, the word is, in fact, this is a two network, 2 words. So I would say not human network. You should find the word socialize. I am chatting this. Okay, I'm typing the word. Socialize is the word. Go back, share it, go back and search it in Jiffy, and then just tell once done, say it loud that it is done. Okay. Socialize word I have asked you to write. I'm in search in Jiffy.
So we have to put it in the to-do list, right?
Yeah.
And
this will come.
Yeah. So I'm done.
You are done. Okay, cool. Abha is done. Come on, everyone. You wish you can be the faster one.
I'm also done.
Okay, cool.
I'm done.
Okay.
I'm done.
Great. Bela, you are remaining, and Rupa.
Copied the link. After that, what I have to do?
So just close that. Once you have copied the link, Rupa, you have to just close that. We can see the screen.
Copied there. I copied there and I have to paste it here. So attach here. So
you are able to see the Jiffy?
Yes.
Yeah, so just close that. So that is done in To-Do. Yeah?
Oh, okay.
So yes. So Bela, you are done as well?
Almost. Just give me a minute.
Yeah. So come on. You can do it.
I want to share my screen once. Can you please tell me?
No, not now. I'll ask you to share your screen at the end. Okay?
Okay.
So because the testing part is done. Okay? And we have come to the now the real time. Okay? We are doing it live. Consider as if this is the project you have to do. So Bela, once you will give me
I'm done.
Done. Okay, fine. So yes, Prerna ji, can you share one word?
Yes, and my word is super simple. It is board meeting. I'm just writing in the chat. It's board meeting.
It's not board.
It's BOARD, board meeting, not board meeting. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for correcting that. Yes.
Prerna into To-Do, right?
Yeah, in To-Do.
Yes. I've just messaged.
Yes, it's board meeting.
Yeah, it could be actually board meeting as well. On a lighter note. Yeah.
Meeting should not be bored.
Yep. Let's see what all they get. I'm so excited to see the results.
I cannot see the chat.
Okay, chat has come to only me, I think. So we'll have to.
One second.
Board meeting, right?
Yeah, wait. It's called, we have office meeting, board meeting.
Yeah. Okay. I got it. Okay.
Got it?
Yeah, board meeting.
Yep.
Are you able to listen some music in the background, by the way?
Yes.
Oh, okay, cool. That is just to make you awake. I know it's night. So mind should be active. So you can say done once board meeting is done. Say BM done. And Brijesh, I believe the earlier one you were also done, because I did not hear that you said done.
Yes, I was done.
Okay, thanks.
I'm done.
Okay, Anila is done.
Done.
Okay, Ava is done.
I'm also done on this one.
Brijesh is done. Varsha was done. Okay. So Abha, Rupa, and Bella. Waiting for you to confirm.
I'm done.
Okay, Bella is done. Rupa and Abha.
Yeah, I'm done.
Rupa is done. Abha.
Yes, I'm done.
Okay, cool. So another word is reader. R-E-A-D-E-R, reader. Find the best creative one.
I'm done.
Okay, Anila is done.
Done too.
Also done.
Okay, Brijesh is done.
I'm done.
Okay.
Superb.
Yes.
I'm waiting for my turn, guys. Let me know when you're done. Yep.
I'm also done, Gaurav.
Okay. So I don't think anyone else is remaining.
Okay, all done, guys?
Bella, you're done?
Yes.
Bella, Rupa, Abha.
Superb.
Everyone is done, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay,
yes.
so my word is super easy, super common yet funny. Multitasking. Multitasking. I hope that's clear. You know, Gaurav, it is so exciting and funny to hear. Whenever we say the word, the next thing is we keep hearing the sounds, which, are from the Jiffy, I suppose. So it's really nice.
I'm done.
Wow. Pretty fast. Nice. Who else has done? Abha is done.
I'm done.
Okay. Thank you, Rupa. Rupa and Abha are done. Nice. Anybody else? Varsha?
Done.
Done.
Okay, great.
Also done.
Yeah, nice.
I'm also done.
Wow. Everybody done? Rajesh done.
Yes.
Varsha
Yes.
done. Bela done. Yes,
Yes.
all done?
Yes.
Okay, very nice. So Gaurav, over to you. Gaurav, you're on mute.
Oh yeah, I was talking on mute, and thank you, Prerna, for confirming
yes,
that.
Yes, okay.
Yeah. So the word which I'm going to give you, so once you are done, how you are going to say, if you are the first one you have done, what you are going to tell? One done. If Rupa comes next, if she is done later, she will say two done, then three done, then four done. Everyone will complete. So this is how we will cover all 6 people. Okay. So you remember how you are going to confirm. So 1 done, 2 done, 3 done, 4 done, 5 done, 6 done. And the word is memory. Memory is the word that you need to write in doing. So if you are written already 2 in to do, then 2 you have to complete in doing, and then last 2 you will complete in done. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Gaurav, I'm done.
Okay, 1 done.
2 done.
Okay.
I'm done.
That's
3 done.
3.
Okay.
3 done.
4 done. 4 done.
4 done. Okay.
What about others?
I'm done.
Okay, 5 done. The last one?
I'm not done yet.
Yeah.
Okay.
Six done.
6 done. Okay,
Yeah.
all right. Yeah, over to you, Prerna.
Yes, so the last word for today is coffee break. Coffee break.
One done.
Nice. Let's wait for others.
Two done.
Okay, Bella, thanks.
3 done.
Okay, Brijesh,
4
good.
done.
Wow,
5
fast.
done. 5
Superb.
done.
So who is the 6th one? We are waiting for that.
It's me.
Okay.
I'm attaching.
So by the way, if you whoever is done, tell me one person that how many cards you have attached so far.
6.
6 you are done. 1 bonus card is coming to you. So be prepared for that. And that you are going to attach and done itself. Okay. So the last one which I am going to give is the bonus one. And the last word is fun. Okay. So that comes as surprise, unprepared. So there is a time limit for that. You need to have not more than 1 minute max.
Okay.
So at the end of the 1 minute, I'm going to tell it's done. Okay. The word is fun. 30 seconds remaining.
I'm done.
20 seconds
I'm
remaining.
done.
Okay.
I'm done.
Okay. 10 seconds
I'm
remaining.
done.
Okay. Five seconds remaining. And we are done. So yes, who is going to go first? Who is not yet done? The last one who has not done yet? Rupa, are you done?
I
Yes,
am
I'm
not
done.
done.
Okay, Anila, you are not done. Anila, please share your screen.
Yes.
Even if you are not.
You cannot start.
Okay, wait. Wait a second. I think I am sharing my screen. So now I have stopped sharing. Anila, go ahead. Now you can share your screen. Yes.
Can you see?
Yes, please close this. Yes. So walk us through. To do, the first one is socialize. Okay. So
Socialize is my to do, the first card.
So who is the one? Trump socializing. Yeah. Okay. So I'm not sure. So who is the one? So any thought?
It's Trump.
Okay. Okay. Trump.
Yeah, Trump in the younger days. Yeah.
Okay.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah, we can
see
yes. Trump, cat, and the young lady in coffee time, and then
this is board meeting. The down 2 to 1, and doing is reader, multitasking.
Yeah, doing are really fun. Reader as well as multitasking. Yes.
And this is memory.
Nice.
And this is coffee time.
Superb.
Okay. And then we had fun. Something.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So can you just scroll up? So scroll up. I want to see the memory as well once again. So memory is this. So I think now scroll down, please. Okay, so for creativity, out of box thinking, and creativity, out of box thinking, and also for engagement and connecting, we have to give some numbers to Anila out of 10. Okay. How much, what the number comes in your mind? Everyone can participate. So
yes, very well.
Okay, the number you have to say. The 5 parameter we have said. Yeah, based on that, what number comes in your mind? So from my end, I don't want to tell anything. I want to hear from you guys first. So Brijesh, what comes in your mind? How much kick you got through these GIF?
How about
how much
9?
Engaged you are feeling? Okay, 9. Good. So 9 from Brijesh. Abha, what do you feel like saying? The number?
8.
8. Okay. And then we'll ask Varsha, what do you feel like saying?
I would say 9. I really like the socialize one.
Okay. So 9, 8, 9. So we have 9, 8, 9. 3 people are done so far. Okay. Who else will go next? After Varsha, we have Bela. Bela, what number comes in your mind? I'm disconnected, is it? Hello.
Okay, Gaurav is back. Yeah. We thought you have some issue. Yeah, please continue.
Yeah, I had, my network was gone.
Okay. You got signed off. Yeah. Okay, please continue.
Okay, so everyone is done. 9, 8, 9, and then I had lost. Okay, did we get numbers from someone else?
I left.
Yeah, Bela, tell me your number.
For Anil, 9.5.
Okay, 9.5. Tell 9 or 10. So by 2 go in point.
10.
10. Okay. So 10. Who else is remaining? We have 9, 8, 9, 10. So I think one more person is remaining.
9. Rupa.
Rupa says 9. Okay. So 9, 8, 9, 10, 9. Okay. So Prerna ji, what is your final remarks?
I really enjoyed all of her super initiatives. So I think it's a 9 from me.
Okay, 9, 8, 9, 10. Wait a minute. And then 9. And then 9. And from me, so kindly excuse me, I'll be honest. How I felt. I felt it was 6. It could have been more engaging one. But yeah. So yes, we are done with Anila. So who is going next? Anila, you can stop sharing. Yeah?
Yeah. Let's start.
So let's go to Rupa. Rupa, share your screen. Wow. Okay. Can you, I cannot see. Okay. The first one is socialize, right? No, first one is your testing.
No, actually, I deleted that testing one. I don't know. This is socialize. I didn't write that names, project 1, project 2, like that. That mistake I did.
Oh, okay. So everyone, can you please just rename your cards? The Anila will help us to know the first one in to do, and the second one
when I saw the first
yeah. So first one is socialize. Okay. Socialize. Okay. What was the second one, Anila?
Board meeting.
Board meeting. Can you scroll down a bit, Rupa?
Yeah.
And let me see the board meeting. Okay. Good.
And this one. After that.
So what is the next one, Anila?
Reader.
That's reader. Yeah.
Okay, reader. Okay. And the next one, Anila, in doing?
Multitasking.
Okay, multitasking. Okay. No. I don't think reader is under reader. There is multitasking. Coffee, was it coffee break?
No, coffee break was
Coffee
last.
wasn't done.
So yeah,
Okay.
this is right. It's multitasking.
Okay. So yeah, so inside done, what is the, I think again I lost. Just give me a second, guys.
So you missed memory. I guess you missed memory. Rupa.
This one is.
That one should be reader.
Okay.
Okay, so you missed one. Yeah, memory you missed. So no doubt, funny gifs, but I could see the order is different. As in the coffee break should have been in the done side, and multitasking should have been in the doing, section. And also you missed the memory part. So yes, Gaurav, are you back? Seems to have some network fluctuation at your end.
Yes, Prerna. So you were right. So there was some network fluctuation. So yes, I heard that
yeah,
Rupa
we continued.
missed one.
Yeah,
Yes.
Rupa missed memory, and her sequencing is also a little mixed up. Yes.
Okay,
yeah, confusing.
Yes. So considering all the parameter, what we are going to do is that, Anila, what do you feel like saying between 1 to 10 for this entire thing? One number which comes in your mind quickly. Anila, you're there?
Yes,
7.
I'm here.
I heard 7.
7.
Okay. So after Anila, Abha, what comes in your mind?
9.
9. Okay. Not necessary that every time you have to be nice. You can be honest as well.
Yeah, everybody should be honest. Yes.
Yeah.
That one is missing.
Okay, no worries. So Brijesh, what the number comes in your mind?
7.
7. Okay. And then Bella, number comes in your mind?
8.
8. And then after Bella, who else? Varsha, number comes in your mind?
7.
What? 7.
7.
Okay. And before I go to Prerna ji, Rupa, the number which comes in your mind?
Actually, I didn't. It is a little bit confusing.
The number comes in your mind. Don't just
7.
7. Okay. Thanks, Rupa. So yeah, Prerna ji, now you can tell.
Yes, so I'll go with the majority. Though she did her best, but if we have to check from the assignment point of view, the mixing of the groups and missing memory. So I think from me, it's also a 7.
Yeah. So the thing is that we are listening various parameters, but let me reiterate them. We are testing your listening skill. We are testing your accommodation. We are testing your creativity. We are testing various parameters. Okay, how do you present them as well? So yeah, so considering all this, you are going to get a point, and from me, I am giving 6. Okay, so this is from me. Now after Rupa, Rupa, you can stop your screen share, and then we will move to Brijesh. Brijesh, yeah, you can share your screen. Yeah. All right. So yeah, you can walk us through what is what.
So for the first one, we have socialize. This is more of a modern socializing thing. You know, I got a new follower. For board meetings, you know, nothing's better than leaving board meetings. For reading, just like a funny gif for Jim Carrey, you know, how we all wish we could read. Multitasking.
Yeah, that's a funny one.
Speaks for itself. Yeah.
SpongeBob doing his best. Yeah.
Yeah. Memory. Yeah. Of course, a funny one. Don't even remember my own name. For a coffee break, you know, you get so excited for your coffee break, and then you kind of just sit there and drink your coffee slowly. So I thought that was kind of funny. And then for fun, there's nothing more fun than winning. So.
Okay, Brijesh.
Super interesting. Yep.
Yes. So, Varsha, the number which comes in your mind?
10.
10. Okay, great. Bela, the number comes in your mind? Bela.
10.
10. Okay. Okay. Anila, number comes in your mind?
10.
10. Okay. And Rupa, the number comes in your mind?
Yeah, 10.
10. And Ava, the number comes in your mind?
9.
9. Okay. And before Prerna, let me give my number. So in my mind, 8 has come. And yeah, Prerna, your number?
Yeah, I think I really enjoyed. It's a 10 from me as well.
Okay.
I really like the combination of, you know, animation as well as Jim Carrey, and so his listening was on point, and the depiction of what the words we gave is very visual, you know. So we are able to understand what we said even without reading the note. So it's a 10. You're very, very well done. Yeah.
So if he would have added some more, great GIF in socialize and memory, he would have got 10 from me too. Otherwise, it's 8.
Honestly, I really like the memory one. It's more of a sarcasm, you know. So that's why. That's why. But
that's okay.
Yeah, you have a point. You do have a valid point from your end. Yeah.
Yeah. So
nice
see,
one.
Yeah, the representation requires your complete auditory system attention. Okay, not only one. So here you are engaging, eyes. You are engaging some connectivity through your heart as well, not only through caption. So yeah. So let's move to Abha. Abha, you can share your screen, please.
Okay, so these two I did for the socialize.
Okay, 2 socialization. Okay.
Yeah. Like we're socializing through social network only. Yes. And this is the board meeting.
Okay.
This is for the reader.
Okay.
Multitasking. And this is memory. This is a still from a movie, Coco.
Yes. Yes.
And coffee break. And that's the fun.
Great.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So let me ask you, Abha, what the numbers you want to give, and consider all the parameters.
For me, like I enjoyed these, I'll give 8. But I could not like display on the other way.
So it includes all the parameter. How did you listen? How did you think? How did you search? And how did you find? And how did you present? So considering all of these, you are giving yourself 8, or you want to reiterate?
7 then.
Okay, thanks. So 7. So yes, going back to Brijesh. Brijesh, what number comes in your mind?
7.
7. Okay. So otherwise, wonderful. Yeah. Just give me a second. So after Brijesh, after Brijesh, we will go to Varsha. Varsha, what number comes in your mind?
I would give 7.
7. Okay. So wait a second. 7. And then Bela, number comes in your mind?
8.
8. Okay, Bela, let's hear from whom? Anila.
8.
8. And Rupa?
8.
8. Okay. Prerna?
Okay, I am little tied up between 7 and 8, but because I really liked her gifs, especially the Tom and Jerry, and the other part. But then on the parameters of listening, I think I should go ahead with 7 because all these gifs are only in to do. So yes, Abha, please, you did miss that doing and done part. So that's the only thing. Otherwise, your selection is nice. So yes, I think I'll go ahead with 7. So we would all register that listening is so important because the better we listen, the better we execute. So yes, though nice gifs, not all on the funny. The coffee one is a plain one,
Yeah.
but Tom and Jerry were cherry on the cake. So yeah, it's a 7 from my side. Over to you.
Excellent, gifs. Yeah, only the coffee break was a bit plain one, but really all of remaining ones are almost engaging one, but only the thing is that parameters were really not satisfying, and that's the reason I am giving you 7, because here the parameters are very important, because you are working on the various quality towards being a scrum master or become business analyst. So all these parameters are really important, and considering them, I have given you 7 as well. So let's move to who is remaining now after Abha. So Anila is done, Rupa is done, Abha is done, Bela. Let's move to Bela. Even Brijesh is done. So yeah, Bela, share your screen. All right. Yeah, please present us.
Okay, so this is the socialize.
Okay.
The down, that's the board meeting.
Okay.
That's a real good one. Very nice. Yes, absolutely. Yes.
This is the reader.
Okay, nice. Multitasker is amazing, Bela. You are really
the trading.
Yes. I like the memory. I like the memory. Yes, that's nice.
Memory foam.
It's a memory foam. Yes, this is what we were looking for. Okay, coffee break. Break. Awesome.
And the last one is fun.
Trust me, Bela, amazing work. I think we have got to see this quirky and funny side of Bela. Yeah. I'm super happy with the selection. Yes. Gaurav, please go ahead.
Thank you, but beginning my daughter helped me for the first one.
But that's okay. That's okay. She's your daughter, so all the points to you only. Don't worry.
Thank you.
and actually, the points for being honest. That's what I like. You are accepting that you did take
first
some
help. She taught me, and then I did others.
Awesome. Yeah, Gaurav, please go ahead with others voting.
Yeah. So, Bela, what number comes in your mind for yourself?
I would say 10.
Okay. Yeah, I'm saying 10.
Okay, so Varsha comes with 10. Okay, let's consider Varsha's point then. So after Varsha, let me ask Abha. Abha, what number comes in your mind?
I'll go with 10.
Okay, you are also with 10. Okay, so I'm still laughing. So, Brijesh.
10.
Okay, you are also giving a 10. Okay, just give me a second. So after Brijesh, Anila, what number comes in your mind?
10.
10. Oh my God. Okay. Just give me a second. 10. And Rupa, number comes in your mind?
10.
Okay, you are also 10. Prerna, number in your mind?
From me, it's actually 11 because 1 point for being honest. So definitely a 10. Yes, Bella,
10.
very nice. Yes.
Okay. Okay. So I'll be honest. I think on fun part we could have done a little better. Even on reader side we could have done bit better. So still, Bella, you are getting from me 9 points. Okay. So who is remaining? So yes. So Varsha, please share your screen. So Bella, you can stop share.
Yeah, let me stop. Yeah.
Okay. I'll go share screen.
Yep.
So here, in to-do, I have made 2 different cards. So first one is this. This is kind of sarcastic. We cannot do that. It's a social suicide. So it's
Okay.
Okay.
This is what, but this is socialized.
This is socialized. Yes.
Okay.
This one is socialized.
Okay, you have tagged them as socialized. Okay.
Yeah. The second one is board meeting. Where everybody want to talk all the time. This do list, multitasking.
That one is funny. Yes.
Yeah. And the reader.
So reader, I can't see on the card. I mean individually.
You mean say the word?
No. So on the card, on the board, not over here, you have in one you have attached 2 GIF, right? So once you will close this pop up
here, I cannot see because I have added in the same card.
Okay.
This
fine.
one I have added in the same card. These are 2 different cards.
Okay. So
Reader and multitasking.
Okay, fine. Okay.
And then
so
here.
even I'm going inside that time, I can see in the tag that what you have brought. Okay. So for
because
that,
if I try to make cover only one, it's allowing. So if I can put either of them.
Oh no, you could have created a new one, but that's okay. You can move.
That's what I'm saying. So here, this is memory. Memory down the line.
Okay, down the line.
That's what's happening in the brain.
Okay, memory.
The coffee one is the simple one that's going to reduce definitely mark, but this is simply tempting.
Yeah. Yes.
And finally, fun. Dancing is fun all the time.
Yes, dancing is fun. That's true. So yeah. So being honest, I'll ask you, Varsha, after considering entire parameter, what number you will give to yourself?
I would give 7 to myself.
Okay, thanks, Varsha,
because I
for
didn't
being
put it
honest.
in the card.
Yeah.
I didn't make it funny all the time.
Yeah, and also separation could have been done over there. So yes. So yeah, thanks for being honest. So yeah, let's move to Abha. Abha, what number comes in your mind?
7.
Okay, 7. And then Brijesh, number comes in your mind?
7.
Bela, number comes in your mind?
8.
Okay. So Anila, number comes in your mind?
8.
8. Okay. And Rupa, number comes in your mind?
8.
8. Okay. And Prerna, number comes in your mind?
Okay. So again, there is a tie between 7 and 8 because I really like her choice of cards. They are very sarcastic and funny. But then the listening part was not followed properly because the cards are clubbed in one, and so I think I'll go with 7.
Yes. Okay. So 7 from 7 from my end too. And we have to be honest because we are learning and we cannot ignore the importance of learning when we will be working in corporate. Okay. You never know what your client may not like. Okay. So the customer delight should be your focus. And if that is the focus, how you're going to perform? Are you really go in a mediocre way, or you will go in an outstanding way? Of course, the outstanding you want to experience. When you will become the customer, how you want to be treated. You want to be treated in a very outstanding manner. Yeah, very exception manner. You want to always feel delighted, right? Considering all these points, so who is the winner? So winner, I see clearly. So Bela is the winner, and Brijesh is really close to Bela, and by 1 point, Bela is winner. Okay, so a round of applause to Bela. Yeah, really, she has put and been honest. So can we hear all the claps from everyone? Yeah. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Well done, guys. Super,
yeah.
Super.
Really nice, both of them.
So guys, here we have come to the end, and tomorrow you have a wonderful thing. Tomorrow we will be doing 2 more workshop, and this workshop is totally dependent on your communication as well as your presentation. And then on next Monday, we will restart the Agile Scrum. Okay, so what is going to happen tomorrow? Tomorrow you have to come up with one city where you have already visited earlier. Okay, it could be even island. Okay, it could be anywhere place in the globe where you have already visited, but the live traffic in that city should be in the sunlight. Okay, say for example, if I'm right now quoting any city name in the America, in the USA, then when some area can come under the dark, so I cannot name that city. So if you are in the USA and if you remember any city, that could be somewhere where sunlight is already there. It could be in Switzerland, it could be in India, Malaysia, Singapore, anywhere in the globe, okay, where already daylight is there. And what you need to do is that you will be opening up your a laptop screen, you will be sharing us, and you will be walking us in the lane and tell us what exactly you had liked over there, what is your memory, and you are going to explain that in the satellite view. Is it clear now? What exactly is going to happen tomorrow? So it is your test for your communication as well as presentation. And tomorrow we are going to do a city tour along with you. The city could be your favorite place in the globe, and there should be a sunlight, okay, so that we can watch that city in the live traffic as well. It could be Sydney as well. It could be, New Zealand too, any place. So everyone is clear with the task?
Yep. Yes.
Yeah. Yes. Anila, Brijesh, yes. Bela said yes. Who else? Rupa, Varsha,
yes.
and Abha?
Yes.
I said yes.
Okay. Yes. Varsha said yes. Abha said yes. And Rupa said yes. Okay, amazing. So we have come to the end. Tell me one word which comes in your mind, Rupa, from today's learning. So today was the workshop completely. And based on that, you have got the number as well. So there should be and must be some insight. So based on that, yeah, Rupa, tell me.
Actually, it is very interesting. This is the first time I didn't see that time.
Okay. Okay. Superb. Thank you. Superb. Thank you, Rupa, for being honest. Call out someone's name.
Anila.
Anila. Yeah.
Today's session was very, it was like type of fun and interesting.
Okay, so we are discussing fun, learning, and interesting, and you did not see the time. So coming back to Rupa, one learning from today. Did you learn something?
Yes, definitely.
One learning, tell me.
I learned Giphy videos, how to attach. That one I liked, that part.
So Giphy video, how to upload, that you learned. Anila, what did you learn? Coming back to you.
I learned about Trello. How to,
learn about Trello. Okay. So thanks, Anila. Tag someone on the screen.
Bela.
Bela. Yes, Bela. What do you feel like saying after today's session?
Today is interesting, fun, and we learned today new Trello. I learned also how to attach and, adding the cards and make, that's new for me. So I enjoy very much today.
Okay. Thanks, Bela. Bela, tag someone on the screen.
Abha.
Abha. Yes, Abha. What do you feel like saying from today's session?
It was a very fun session. Like I enjoyed doing that because I never did such things before. And it was like good to learn.
Okay. And what did you learn from today's session?
I listened carefully.
Yeah, that I was looking for.
I have the same learning.
Wow, amazing. Can we give a round of applause to both the
Very
ladies?
Nice. Yes.
Abha and Varsha. Definitely. And I should be listening to those clap because I can listen to mine only. Yeah.
Can you listen?
Okay. Thanks, Varsha. Great one. Yeah. Abha, amazing, brilliant. You won all the points, 10 on 10, because you have amazing learning. So that's the motto of this. So thanks, Abha, for sharing. Yeah, tag someone on the screen.
Varsha done?
No, Varsha, over to you.
Yeah, today's session was terrific. Apart from these fun activities, we really had some serious learning, like how to be proper listener, and also we learned to explore Trello as a new application.
Yes. Great. Wonderful, Varsha. Amazing learning. And yeah, because you have really banged on and you participated well. Varsha, clapping for you too. So tag someone on the screen, Varsha. Brijesh.
Yes, today's session was fun, and I learned that it's important to understand who you're appealing to while doing these projects.
Exactly. Amazing learning, Brijesh. So yeah, you also deserve 10 on 10 now because amazing learnings are the key. Thank you. So others can also unmute and can, appreciate others. What you appreciate appreciates you, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you so much. So who else is remaining? I think Rupa is remaining.
Yeah. Rupa is done, Rupa?
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Rupa, she was.
I'm remaining. So yes,
what do you feel like
session. Yes, superb session and very interesting. And I really like the participation spirit everybody showed. And to be honest, we got to know the funny and quirky side of everybody. And yes, last but not the least, I would really like to add, along with the listening skills, we'll have to also focus on the execution skills, because see, most of you listened properly, but some of you couldn't execute that as well properly, as in, you clubbed into one chart, or you forgot to name, or because you knew what you were doing, right? All when knowing. So this is the takeaway from today's session, that definitely we have to be an extremely good listener, but as well as that, while executing, we have to remember what we listen and what we have to work on. So this is my also takeaway from today, because it is very useful in day-to-day activities, office, personal. And as always, a super fun session. Nice to see the Trello, everybody working on Trello so well. So again, thank you so much, everybody, for participating, and Gaurav for conducting such a beautiful session. Yes.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Prerna. So yeah, so we are done for today. And one thing I really want to tell, parameters are really important. When we are reiterating all the time, parameter, you should start thinking that why parameters are really important for even this workshop. So we understand that every single day you come up little late, stay back little late, and we appreciate you for that. And that's the reason I want to ask you that, yeah, sometime we understand we have to start our early morning. What if we ask you to come early morning? What do you start thinking? So the question is,
I'm thinking.
Okay, what if we ask you to come a bit early morning? Would you be able to make it? Not every day, at least a day, on a day, one day.
Yes.
Okay.
I wake up early.
Oh, you wake up early. Okay.
Yeah, I wake up around 5:30, but
Wow.
then, you know, one by one people like.
Okay.
Yeah,
Great.
yeah. I go to work 6 o'clock too.
Okay, you go to work at 6 o'clock, Bela?
I leave my house 6, yeah, in the morning.
Okay, okay. All right. So what exactly we were thinking? We were thinking to conduct tomorrow's session during your morning hour. So if you go around 6 o'clock, then it won't be for you, Bela, then. You won't be able to attend the morning session, right?
No, I can't.
Okay.
Gaurav, how about day after tomorrow, if you're okay with it? If everybody's okay with it? Because morning seems to be a problem for two of them, Bela and somebody else said, right?
I have to send my son to the school, so
yes.
They also send to the school to my son.
For women,
Okay.
morning is tough, because the household chores and you share your availability if that works, and if everybody else is
or
okay.
Prerna ji, so what we'll do, I think we'll go ahead with the as planned. So every single day we meet during 9:15 p.m. EST. We will be meeting 9:15 p.m. EST only. So only the thing is that I'll be logging in a little late tomorrow. Okay, and based on that, but we are clear what exactly we have to go. We have to do the workshop. So in case anything is there, I'll talk to you. I'll coordinate with you.
Sounds fine.
Yeah.
Little late, as in 15 minutes, half an hour, whatever you can share. We can also start accordingly if everybody is okay with it, or we can start early, whatever works for fine.
Yeah. So let it go with the decided time. Yeah, as planned. And I'll see at my joining.
Yes, we will start the tour and you can hop in between whenever you're free.
Yes, no worries.
Okay. Yep.
Okay.
So tomorrow also a fun-filled day with another workshop. Trust me, it's an interesting one. And please get your presenter and anchor hats on, because you'll have to do a lot of talking along with the workshop. So yes, excited for tomorrow. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you everyone. And thank you for amazing participation and really showing up your vulnerable side of being funny. Thank you. Yeah.
Gaurav, we'll just talk after this.
Yeah, sure.
Good night, everyone.
Good night. Bye-bye.